you guys are making fun of me.
You can do it, Stella.
It's in between the screen door now.
Just turn your head like you did before. You almost got.
It's so close.
How'd you get in here before?
She's giving up. So hot. So hot. You can fall asleep.
You can do it.
Come on, Stelly. Good girl. Good girl. You got it. You can do it. She was like that thing on Ice Age with the acorn. Get it! Get the stick! Get it! Get the stick! We're gonna try this from out here. My screen.
Come on, Stella. You're a smart dog. You can do it.
She would come in like sideways with her branches.
Yeah, she's learning.
There'd be a little bit more room.
You almost got it.
She's gonna do it. This is happening! Stella! Good girl!
That was close.
Get it! She's mad. She's like, why are you helping me? Push the handle.
Come on, bitches.
Uh-oh. She's gonna do it.
Is she getting mad now?
This is entertainment for her.
So close, Stelly.